Hello and welcome to Global Recipe Studio. Today, I'll show you how to make Korean fried chicken. It's crispy, juicy, and incredibly delicious. Let's get cooking! First, take 1 kilogram of fresh chicken wings. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix everything well to coat the chicken evenly. Next, add 1 tablespoon of grated ginger and 6 cloves of minced garlic. Mix everything well. Next, now add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and mix until every piece of chicken is evenly coated. Now add 1 egg, 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Mix everything until the chicken is evenly coated. Coat each piece of chicken evenly with the batter. Shake off the excess coating and let the chicken rest for a minute before frying. Carefully place the coated chicken into hot oil. Fry for about 6 to 7 minutes until it's light golden and crispy. Remove the chicken from the oil and let it rest for 2 minutes. This helps make it even crispier before the second fry. Now fry the chicken one more time for 2 to 3 minutes. This second fry makes it extra crispy and perfectly golden. Now let's make the sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of gochujang, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Stir until the sauce is smooth. Add the crispy fried chicken to the sauce and gently toss until every piece is fully coated with the rich Korean glaze. Finish with 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Then add toasted sesame seeds and fresh spring onions. Give everything one final gentle toss. Carefully plate the Korean fried chicken and finish with a light garnish of spring onions and sesame seeds for a perfect restaurant-style presentation. Our crispy Korean fried chicken is now ready to serve. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and coated with a rich, flavorful Korean sauce.